Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about is Uniworld legit, and in this video I'll also help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the online portal which is based in United States that deals with multiple products and claiming to provide various electronic tools, health and beauty items, electronics items, clothing, computers, technology, toys, jewelry and watches. But guys, when you will check out the view all option, then you will be redirected to the home page only, which is a negative sign. And talking about the payment information, let's check out the payment info on this particular site. So here you can see payment option is given or is available, but you can't click on these options on mobile as the website is not much mobile friendly, and you will not getting the exact information after clicking. So guys, in the payment info they have provided the payment information. So when you will check out the information on your desktop, you will be able to read the payment info, and they have mentioned that they only accept uh, payments from Visa, MasterCard, American Express and Discover card. So this was the payment info. Now coming to the shipping policy. So let's check out the shipping policy, guys. And for shipping policy, you need to visit the shipping policy page. So again, this option is not clickable on the mobile phone. So you can check out the shipping info by visiting the shipping information policy page on your desktop, and you will check out the shipping duration. So they have not provided the exact shipping duration as well, and they've only mentioned that they ship worldwide via DHL or TNT. So this was the only information. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So guys, the site is using a secure valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign. But talking about the domain information, it was created on 17th of July 2015. So guys, this site is more than 5 years old website, so we can't say that this is a scam website. But yes, the site can't be trusted on the basis of its domain age factor only. We need to explore the entire information including about us page info. So let's check out the about us page of this particular site to know more about this website. So these pages are taking so much time while opening, guys, which is a negative sign. So here is the about us information. Guys, the theme of this website is too, you can say, too dull. And here they have mentioned the limited information about the company, but they have not provided the exact info related to business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, etc., which is a negative sign. So here they have also mentioned the extended warranties information, IT/AD services, etc. Apart from that, talking about the contact details, let's check out the contact details of this particular site. So here is the contact us page. So again, this page is is taking too much time while opening, guys. And they have provided the email address which matches with the domain name, which is a good sign. Apart from that, they have mentioned the contact number, but these details seems to be suspicious, guys, because you will find the Smile Dental Cleaning on the particular given address, which is a negative sign. So the address details and contact number seems to be suspicious, which is a negative sign. Apart from that, the site has no social media presence at all, which is a red alert. And coming to the return policy, let's check out the return policy of this website. So you need to visit the return policy page to know more about its return or refund policy. Again, guys, the site pages are taking too much time while opening, which is a negative sign or one of the biggest drawbacks. Here you can see they have mentioned 90 days of return policy after the receipt of the product, and refurbished products have 30 days to return. So guys, do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. And talking about Univol reviews, we have found no reviews about the site on the internet and on the official website as well, which is a negative sign. And guys, apart from that, the trust index score of this site is 76%, which is a positive sign. But on the other hand, the Alexa rank, or you can say the traffic rank, is too low about this particular website, and you can't find a lot of websites linking to this particular site. So this is again a negative sign. And apart from that, they have not provided the business owner's information, which is again a negative sign. So guys, there are so many loopholes that makes the site quite suspicious and creates a confusion. And I would also like to inform you that the trust index score of this site is 76%, as I've already told you. But apart from that, its ranking is too low, and we have found, guys, one negative review on a platform, and the customer said company advertised a HP service pack for too low a price. We bought it, and when we went to call the company, it was a Google Voice number. So this was the negative comment that again makes the site quite suspicious. So guys, it's totally up to you. It's totally up to you. You can make a wise decision while exploring or while making an online purchase from this website. And we do not recommend you to buy anything from this website, as there are so many loopholes. So guys, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. So do comment your thought about this video, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.